reverse viva. What is reverse viva? It is the newly newly graduated PhD. They have become lecturers now, maybe or postdoc. They would get us a reverse. They would present. They would present viva again, but the examiners is not the real examiners. The examiners are the PhD candidates, such as me, and so the main purpose is to give a feeling, give the PhD students a feeling about how the PhD viva looks like. So I worked as an examiner, one of the three examiners, and also there are other 20 other PhD students as the audience, and there is also a coordinator. So the Viva presentation is a PhD graduate in computer science of informatics at Edinburgh University, and he gives his presentation about his research is about doing when we transform our model from one framework to another framework, and what would happen to it. And he discovered many hundreds of errors, such as the matrix conversion dimension errors. So he discovered a lot of so this is a very interesting discovery. So and I we never know that you transform your model like your YOLO from PyTorch to TensorFlow, then the performance would change and the correctness would change. And he just to make it the same. So there's no golden standard of which is right or which is wrong. Although he said so many so many code errors, but what he wants to do is just to copy to make then transfer exactly the same. You transfer from this framework PyTorch to TensorFlow. You want the model act exactly the same as it works on the PyTorch. So that is what he's doing. If it is not working exactly the same, then he would make some repairment. What is the repairment? Is just to copy the values that they get from the original model. So I think this is very mechanical work. So I said that you said so many errors, but you don't have golden standard of which is good, of which is right and which is wrong. And that answer he didn't answer well. He just wanted to make it comply with the original one. And also another question, I said that all these doings is a lot of work, a lot of experiment, and a lot of discoveries. But this is completely empirical. You just make one thing transform to another, and then to try to make them match. So it's very empirical. And then he said that yes, it is mostly empirical, but the differential diffidence gradient degradation is quite theoretical, but but gradient is not his gradient descent is not his contribution at all. So and since I have asked so many tough questions, and the coordinator tried to stop us because this is just a reverse waiver. It's not a real waiver. You don't want to suffer, make the people who are so kind to give us a reverse waiver being so suffered by my tough questions. And then and then when he comes and he said that when he comes back, the PhD graduate, he said that I was quite enjoying my actual viva because the examiners treat me very well. He don't put me tough questions. I think everything is just irony to me. I am the bad ass to present so many tough questions. And that is, and so I think he is a graduated PhD. I am a PhD candidate, so I must be more trouble than him. So I tried to talk him more to ask him to add my LinkedIn, and then try to apologize to him. I hope that I wasn't offending. I just saying what I think of, and I think I really think that your thesis is very great contribution, because you not only discovered the big problem that to transform code from one framework to another framework there can be so many errors, and you also give so many patches to repair it. And so it is empirical work, but we need someone to do this work. Otherwise, if you ask industrial people to do that work, I don't think that industrial people would do it so thoroughly. So, but I shouldn't talk more. Maybe he is kind of more despising me, right? I am a PhD graduate. You are just a candidate. You must be suffer more than me. I have passed it. I am enjoying my life now. You are suffering. I just want to be humble and just show that I don't want to be offensive. Just talk what I think. So that is my first time of reverse viva.